the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that might have shifted during flight. And please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value your feedback and users